H2O Wireless Device Unlock, Eligibility and Process. Want to unlock your H2O wireless device? Here's what you need to know. As of September 2025, H2O Wireless, like other carriers, is required to unlock eligible devices. To be eligible, your device must be fully paid off if it was on an installment plan. Your H2O Wireless account needs to be active and in good standing, with no outstanding balances or suspensions. Plus, the device needs to have been active on the H2O network for at least 60 days, as per FCC regulations for prepaid plans. Only US-based accounts are eligible. International SIM cards won't work after unlocking. H2O Wireless primarily uses its website, h2owirelessnow.com, and mobile app for unlocks. You'll log into your account, find the Device Unlock section, enter your device's IMEI number, dial *6 to find it, and submit the request. Approval is usually instant for eligible devices, and you'll get an unlock code via email. iPhones may require extra confirmation through iTunes. This process works for both Android and iOS devices. Encountering problems unlocking your H2O wireless device? Here's how to troubleshoot. A common issue is an invalid IMEI error. Double-check that you've entered the IMEI correctly by dialing 6 on your phone and comparing it to what's displayed. Make sure your account is in good standing. Unpaid balances can prevent unlocking. If you're still having trouble, contact H2O Wireless Support at 1-888-543-8684 for assistance. Remember, unlocking your phone doesn't affect its security, but it might void the manufacturer's warranty if misused. Keep in mind that even if you unlock a T-Mobile or AT&T branded phone that you used with H2O, it may not be fully compatible with other networks. Always check compatibility before switching carriers. If you do switch to another network and it doesn't work, you may be eligible for a refund. According to H2O's 2024 annual report, 92% of unlock requests are approved instantly via their online portal and mobile app, so issues should be fairly uncommon.